Ever wonder why your bank account seems to be on a perpetual diet while your spending habits are, well, not? Welcome to the phenomenon we call doom spending, referred to in the CNBC article called "Americans Are Doom Spending." And here is why that's a problem. Yes, you heard it correctly. We're often indulging ourselves with stuff that we don't even need, and this happens even more during these unstable economic periods where Americans are concerned about the economy and world affairs. Here's a surprising fact for you. According to Credit Karma, an overwhelming 96% of us are concerned about the economy. Guess how we're dealing with this anxiety? By shopping, of course. It's quite perplexing, isn't it? Now it's time to get serious. Here at ATB Financial Freedom, our primary focus is on building wealth, attaining financial independence, and living the most fulfilling life we can. So it's time for a reality check. We're about to unveil the top 5 habits that you must abandon immediately if you want to navigate toward your financial freedom smoothly. Say goodbye to doom spending. Let's shift our focus and start practicing investing and saving instead. First on our list, we have impulse buying and splurging. Have you ever saw something and immediately wanted it? Well, it's time to pause for a moment. Should you really purchase it? Let's contemplate before hastily adding it to the cart. Next, we look at neglecting your financial plan. Is your financial plan gathering dust like that gym membership you never use? It's high time to flex those financial muscles and adhere to your plan. Our third habit is forgetting investing and savings. These can be considered the secret keys to your financial freedom journey. Don't hesitate to start small. The important thing is to start investing and saving as soon as possible. Living on credit is the fourth habit we need to tackle. Remember, credit cards are not a supplemental source of income. Let's utilize them wisely, not recklessly. Lastly, we neglecting passive income streams. Why depend on a single source of income when you can have several? It's the right moment to explore the world of passive income. These are 5 critical habits you need to eliminate now if you want to attain financial independence. Remember, financial freedom isn't just an aspirational dream, it's a conscious decision followed by proactive action. So, let's take the following actions to bid farewell to doom spending and open our arms to financial freedom. Ever found yourself buying something you don't need just because it's on sale? An all-common scenario, isn't it? Impulse buying, my friends, is the initial habit we're focusing on today. A subtle little habit that can have a significant impact on your financial health before you're even aware. It's much like the additional piece of cake you have at the end of a lavish dinner. It seems harmless initially, but the effects accumulate over time. The process starts innocuously with a tiny, treat-yourself purchase. Maybe it's that fashionable pair of shoes that you've been fascinated by, or that newest tech gadget that pledges to streamline your life. Suddenly, you find yourself trapped in a loop of purchasing items you don't require, using money that could have been used more constructively, or better still, invested and saved. So, how do we combat this impulse? The solution lies in distinguishing between wants and needs. Needs are critical, like monthly groceries, rent, utilities bill payments. Wants, conversely, are luxuries. The latest gaming console, the newest smartphone, or that luxury handbag. It's perfectly acceptable to occasionally indulge in your wants, but it's crucial not to let them overshadow your needs. The next time you're enticed to make an impulsive buy, stop. Ask yourself the following. 1. Do I genuinely need this? And 2. Can I afford this without disturbing my budget? If the response is no, it's time to exercise some self-control. Please note that you're not depriving yourself of joy. You're simply delaying gratification for a superior purpose, your financial independence. Another handy tip is to give it some time. Often the temptation to buy something spontaneously diminishes over time. Hence, allow yourself time to think about your purchase. If you're still interested in that item after a week or two, and it can be accommodated in your budget, then, by all means, go ahead, purchase, and enjoy it. Additionally, stay clear of triggers. Opt out of marketing emails, avoid regular visits to online shopping sites, and even reduce spending your time in shopping malls. Because it's true what they say, out of sight, out of mind, right? Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar you can invest. Let's manage our shopping impulses and make intelligent, deliberate decisions that take us a step closer to our financial freedom. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about having money, it's about having control over your money. A financial plan is like a gym membership. It only works if you use it. Picture this. You've painstakingly created a meticulously detailed financial plan, but it's merely stashed away somewhere, overlooked and neglected. Does this scenario ring a bell? Well, it's about time we rewrite that narrative. Visualize your financial plan as your personal financial coach, directing you towards your ultimate goal of achieving financial independence. It's there to monitor your spending, steer you away from unnecessary expenses, and assist you in maximizing your financial resources. However, similar to a personal coach, it cannot perform the hard work for you. That responsibility falls squarely on your shoulders. Constructing a budget is the initial step, but adhering to it is where the actual transformation occurs. It's similar to a fitness workout. It might appear challenging initially, but it becomes a part of your daily routine with practice. You begin to notice the positive changes, and they're absolutely fulfilling. So how do you stay committed to your financial plan? It's all about striking the right balance. If your budget is overly restrictive, it's like attempting to complete a marathon with zero preparation. You'll only end up drained and disheartened. Conversely, if it's too flexible, it's like strolling on a treadmill while munching on a sugary donut. You'll remain stagnant. So what's the ideal strategy? It's discovering a harmonious balance between your income, necessary expenditures, and financial objectives. It's about understanding your spending patterns, pinpointing areas where you can tighten your belt, and directing funds towards savings and investments. Find satisfaction in watching your money grow rather than watching it disappear on whimsical purchases. Bear in mind, a financial plan isn't a rigid document. It's a dynamic blueprint that should evolve as your circumstances change. Secured a pay raise? Revise your budget. Paid off a loan? Modify your plan. The primary factor here is to maintain consistency and remain flexible. Your financial plan is your guide to wealth and prosperity. It's your exit ticket from reckless spending and your passport to financial independence. So dust off that financial plan, flex those financial muscles, and brace yourself to achieve your goals now. Your financial plan is your roadmap to financial freedom, so use it wisely. Investing and savings, these are your tickets to financial freedom. How enticing does that sound? Let's dive into the world of finance. Imagine investing and saving as your hidden financial superpowers, transforming every penny into a wealth mountain. Even the smallest amounts, when regularly invested and saved, can amass into a considerable fortune. The magic wand here is compound interest, a financial enchantment where your money multiplies by itself. Intriguing, isn't it? So how do we harness this power? It's more straightforward than you think. Start by allocating a small portion of your monthly income. It could be $1 or as much as you can manage. Consistency is paramount. Make it a routine, something as regular as brushing your teeth or updating your social media. Then let's explore investing. It might seem daunting, but believe us, you don't need to be a Wall Street genius to embark on this journey. Start with low-risk investment options like index funds or bonds, or better yet, automate your investments. A multitude of apps and platforms are available that can assist you to invest your money in a diversified portfolio, making the process less challenging. Don't neglect retirement savings either. It might seem distant, but time progresses faster than a SpaceX rocket. The sooner you start investing for retirement, the more relaxed your retirement years will be. Think about opening a retirement account and contributing regularly. Believe us, your future self will be grateful. Lastly, let's tackle the concern that's been in the back of your mind. Granted, the economy fluctuates, and the thought of possible losses can be unsettling. But remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about persisting through the economic downturns and looking forward to the prosperous future. Remember, the best time to start investing and saving was yesterday. The second best time is now. So let's quit procrastinating and start taking action. Your ticket to financial freedom is ready for you. Credit cards are not an extension of your income, and one income stream is never enough. Let's delve deeper into these habits, shall we? First, let's talk about living on credit. It's a risky path, folks. Credit cards can seem like an instant relief, but they're just IOUs with high interest rates. They can be useful for emergencies or rewards, but what about daily expenses? That's a big no. Remember, each time you use your credit card, it is a loan that you'll need to repay. So let's use them wisely. Pro tip: strive to clear your balance monthly. This helps you to avoid interest and keep your credit score healthy. Now, on to habit number 5, ignoring multiple income streams. Why depend on just one income source in a world full of opportunities? Multiple income streams can protect you during economic downturns and speed up your journey to financial freedom. So how can you increase your income? Passive income is an excellent start. It is money earned without active involvement, like profits from rental properties or dividend investments. If you're thinking, this seems complex, fear not. I have a series on passive income on my YouTube channel that will guide you. However, diversifying your income does not mean exhausting yourself. It's about intelligently investing your time and assets in profitable endeavors that align with your abilities, passions, values, and life vision. So here's a quick recap. Abandon the credit card dependency and adopt the power of income diversification. It's an effective way to keep your financial health robust. Remember, financial freedom is not a dream. It's a decision followed by daily action. So use the links for the passive income series to learn how to generate more income and read the CNBC article I mentioned. The links for both of these are listed in this video's description box. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more financial tips. Keep living abundantly, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.